Breaking news from Fannie Mae, no interest rate reductions. Economists were anticipating inflation to go down to 2%, and it hasn't as of 2024. In fact, it has gone up. When inflation hit that magic number, at least to the economists, we were told that rate cuts would take place. It would then invigorate the real estate market, getting more buyers and sellers on board. This federal association plays a crucial role as it aids in ensuring that mortgage lenders possess adequate funds to render home loans to buyers. While nothing is etched in concrete today, rates are most likely going up a bit, but should stay around that 6.75% to 7% mark throughout the remainder of this year. What should buyers do? I have personally been in real estate for 20 years, and honestly, if someone does not have to buy right now, I would hold off. I realize it is a very unpopular opinion, especially for realtors and lenders, but there is a rationale for this opinion. Prices have not dropped yet. They have continued to rise and in most areas have gone up 40% in 2 years. That's great for a seller, but wages have not gone up, and if anything, they've plateaued and in many areas have gone down. The average house payment has gone up 106% in the past 2 years due to rate increases. That is a huge jump. Most buyers cannot afford that and should not be jumping on a purchase if a realtor or lender is using tactics like, "These increases will just continue to get more expensive, so you'd better buy now." If someone needs to move or is a cash buyer, that is a different situation. I'm speaking specifically about the buyer that may be that first-time home buyer and wants their first home. Renting may be pricey, but it's not forever. I have also been recommending that buyers look for pre-foreclosures or foreclosures if they are wanting to capture a better deal on a house and is working with someone educated on those processes. Unfortunately, there are a deluge of foreclosures and pre-foreclosures in every state. I do have a link attached in the description of this video if you are interested in specific areas for those listings. But if you are looking for a home, pre-existing or new, and do not need to buy right now, I would honestly hold off. In 2025, rates are poised to go down as well as home prices. The average number of homes sold annually in the United States is generally in the 5 million mark. In 2021, there were over 6 million homes sold. Last year, in 2023, it went back down to 5 million. And this year, the number of sales should be 300,000 to 400,000 less. This is specifically with single-family homes and, again, a prediction only. Is the world falling apart? Sometimes I think it is, but I have hope that things will get better. I do think it's a very important time to be a realtor or lender and be willing to guide people through this very important process. Buyers should be educating themselves, with the help of a realtor hopefully, on market conditions. Lenders should also be educating buyers on the rates and any specific programs in their neighborhoods that they might be qualified for. Is it still a good idea to be a homeowner? I say yes, 100%, but remembering that his is most likely the largest purchase you will make in a lifetime, one that should be thought through very carefully. The 3.5% fixed rate may never come back, but rates will drop, and I'm hoping in the next 2 years we get back to a 5% interest rate. In the interim, stay in touch with a lender you trust and a realtor that can put you on an automatic database for listings you are interested in. In that way, you will be very educated on the market conditions for areas you are specifically interested in. What about sellers? Sellers still have more control over the market, but are also coming to the realization that there are more price reductions this year, and they cannot get the price their neighbors sold for 2 years ago. The average time on the market for single-family homes right now, in 2024, is 57 days. We're glad you took the time to watch our video. If you have any specific real estate inquiries, don't hesitate to reach out to us via email. We'll strive to provide the best answer for you. To stay in the loop on real estate trends, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Remember, it's absolutely free. We value your support.